Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zapier on WooCommerce. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate workflows between your WooCommerce store and thousands of other apps, saving you time and reducing manual data entry. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't have a Zapier account yet, you'll need to create one, but for this tutorial, we'll assume you're already set up and ready to go. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard. Here, look for the Zap button and click on it. This button is your starting point for creating any automation, and clicking it will take you into the Zap editor where you'll build your workflow step by step. Now that you're in the Zap editor, you'll see the setup interface. Click on the trigger button. A trigger is essentially the event that kicks off your automation. In the search bar that appears, type WooCommerce and select it from the list. This tells Zapier to watch for specific events happening in your WooCommerce store. Next, navigate to the Trigger Event section on the right side of the page. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu with various options like New Order, Updated Order, and so on. For this example, select Order from the drop-down. This means your Zap will trigger whenever a new order is placed in your WooCommerce store. After selecting your trigger event, you'll need to connect your WooCommerce account to Zapier. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection, then click Continue once everything is linked properly. This step might take a moment while Zapier establishes the connection with your store. Now it's time to set up the action, which is what happens after the trigger fires. Click on the Action button in the Zap editor. Here you'll select an Action app, which is the service where you want to send your WooCommerce data. This could be anything from Google Sheets to MailChimp to Slack, depending on what you want to automate. Choose the app that fits your needs. Just like with the trigger, navigate to the Action Event section on the right side of the page. You'll see another drop-down menu where you can select the specific action you want to happen, such as creating a new row in a spreadsheet or adding a contact to an email list. Select the action that makes sense for your workflow, then connect your preferred account for that app. Click Continue once the connection is established and configured. And that's it. You've successfully set up Zapier on WooCommerce and created an automation that will save you valuable time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.